Hello, Lake Forest students. Today, I'm going to show you how to search Destiny Quest to find books in our school library. To get to Destiny Quest, you can go to the school website, hover over the word Parents or Students, and at the bottom of the list, you'll see the words Library Catalog. Go ahead and click on those words, and that will take you to Destiny Quest. The top 10 books, that will tell you the most popular books at that time that are being currently checked out at our school library. Resource list, if you click on public lists, it'll give you book sets per grade. And also new arrivals are books that have recently been added to our school card catalog. To do a search, you'll go to the top of the page and type in your subject in the Find box. I'm going to search Cars. There are 87 books that match the subject Cars. If you see a green in the top right hand corner, that means that book is available in the library and you can check it out. If you hover over the cover of the book, it'll give you more information about that book. It'll tell you title, the author, how many we have available, the year it was published, and how many pages are in that book. It'll also give you a brief description. One really important piece of information that can be found on this page is the call number. The call number will tell you where you can find that book on our shelves. This book's call number is 629.22 Johnstone. The number is the Dewey Decimal Number, and that helps you find the book on the shelves. If you see a number at the front of the call number, that means it's a nonfiction book. Johnstone is the name of the author. Here's another call number, 623.7 Ellis. Again, Ellis is the last name of that author, and 623.7 will tell you which shelf to find that book. If you hit the next button up here at the top, it'll take you to the second page of results. If you see an orange Ask, that means we do not have it in our library. If you see a red out in the right hand corner like this one, it means that book is checked out and it's not available for you today. Let's say that you want to search, you have to do research on animals. If you type in the word animals, you're going to see that we have 1,708 books that match the term animals. That's way too many. So I would suggest you narrow it down to the type of animal. Maybe you want to learn about giraffes. We have 19 books that are relevant to the word giraffes, or you might want to search for wolves. There are 44 books that match the term wolves in our library. Again, if you see a green in at the top of the book record, you know that book is available for checkout. This book, Summer of the Wolves, is a fiction book. The call number starts with an F, that means it's in our fiction section, and Carlson is the author's last name. If you see a PB in the call number, like this Julie the Wolves book, that means that is in our paperback section. I know a lot of you like the series Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Right now, we have quite a few books that are in, but a lot of the times you'll see a red out because it's a very popular series. This book, Dog Days, has a gray lost in the right-hand corner. That means whoever checked out that book last lost that copy. Hopefully we'll get a new copy in soon. And the last book on this page is a book about the author Jeff Kinney, and that call number starts with a B and his last name Kinney, so you'll go to the biography section to find a biography book. Dork Diaries is another popular series. We have 6 books that are related to Dork Diaries. As you can see, 1 is checked out and the rest are in. Bad Kitty is another popular series. If you type in Bad Kitty, it'll tell you how many books that we have that relate to that subject and also if they are available. These call numbers are different. Some are in the fiction section and some are in the easy section. You just need to find the call number on the book record, and that will tell you what shelf to go to find your book. If you're doing a research project on a person, you would just type in your person's last name. And more than likely, you'll go to the biography section to find your book, or you also might go to the nonfiction section, depending on the subject of your book. I know some of you do different projects in classes. I searched the term immigration, and we have 91 books that match that subject of immigration. We have some books on the Revolutionary War. I misspelled that word. It tells you if you misspell it. If you just right-click, it will correct it for you. And we have 52 books that relate to the subject Revolutionary War. That is my lesson today for Destiny Quest. I hope it was helpful. If you need any help finding your books, please see me or Miss Monroe. Have a great day, students.